women are bad drivers? Let us find out today. Yes, today is going to be my first motor vlog for which, oh sorry, Maps is talking to me, for which we are going to conduct a small experiment. We are going to see how all of you say women ride this, women ride that. Today I will show you proof, as you can see in my DJI Action Pro 6, how people ride, how different genders ride, and then we will take a call, okay? Yeah, I will keep giving my commentary. You are welcome. Okay, shit. Today is a Saturday, yes. Walk on the middle of the road, man. Yeah, so today is a Saturday evening in Bengaluru. There's going to be a lot of traffic. I am headed to Sakar Nagar. There is, don't see where I stay and all. Oh, potholes. Two potholes. Everywhere potholes. Can't even go proper. One more pothole will come now, okay. I have to take my power bike within this. Oh, by the way, Speed 400 has very good suspension. Also, I was talking, so I forgot the route. Let's just hope it's the right route. Oh. Sorry. That is on me, guys. I thought we will pass the signal. Okay, motor vlogging is not as easy as I thought. I cannot talk and ride at the same time. See? Yeah, but it's fine. We will figure it out. If I was like a pro rider who, those TikTok dancers who don't need their hand and all to ride, then fine. See, I am a woman and I have put right indicator and I'm going right only. Just note that. And now I'm putting indicator because I want to go left. So the Speed 400, no. When it's on second gear, the engine stresses. Put on third gear, it's too smooth for me to go in like so much traffic. So I'm constantly confused. And I'm like, which one to go? And like, I'm a beginner. I'm just a beginner rider. No, itna experience nahi hai hamare ko. So I'm very scared dogs will chase me. Wow. How do people ride? Listen to Maps. Yes, I switched off the indicator, don't worry. Yeah, ride, listen to Maps and motor vlog. For some reason, it feels like I'm in a hurry. I'm actually not. My constant state of mind is anxiety. Oh, so much dust, guys, in Bangalore. Oh, whoa. We hear a lot of sound in this vlog because I am constantly anxious. I don't like it when there are like slow vehicles in front of me. Like, be slow, it's fine, but go to the side at least. Like, give way for other vehicles, don't block the way. Like, I don't know why I changed the gear now. See, because if I do little also, I'll go off so fast. So I have to like, okay, ma'am. So whenever you see that guy who's on this fucking phone and is like looking down and fucking riding? He's probably a Swiggy guy. Probably that. Full respect. But yes, go to the side at least, motherfucker. Such people, even people who at the signal, they'll be like using their phones, and like when the green signal comes, they'll be struggling to put it inside. Whoa, okay. Really hope my stuff is not hot. Did you see what that guy did? Right indicator, left indicator. He's either going left, not right. Yes, guys, this is the second guy who's seen on the road, by the way. Just FYI. And if you're thinking, oh, Jessica, there were no girls on the road, then yes, women cause less accidents. No, we will see women also. First time I'm like not wearing a jacket and riding my bike. Also, I should get a riding jacket. You see this man, guys, who has Chumma put left indicator and is not going left? Krishna Electrical. Just because you're an electrician doesn't mean you put the fucking indicator. See, now how do I know which side to go? Should I overtake him? Should I not? Guys. The fourth guy who is fucking up. FYI. I put left indicator and I'm actually going left, okay? Not like Krishna Electric. I don't know why he. Oh. Okay. Amazing road. It's left signal, but the man standing there is not going. See this guy? Do you see his phone? He took out of him. Yeah, left signal, but no one is going left. People standing are wanting to go straight. What about people who have to go left? Where is the civic? Again, he's removed his phone. And I will have the patience and I will wait, because that's what you have to do. What else can I do? I'm not taking my beautiful bike. This mirror is fucked, guys. I have to fix it. The winding is fucked. Yeah, I will not take my beautiful bike. Shit. My bad. I have to see the location, guys. That's why. Now I have to go right, apparently. Sorry. But I did not block anyone's way, guys. Please don't think otherwise. After a short correcting of where I am going, I am still very far from where I have to reach. I had to reach there half an hour ago. But we will not be in a rush. The secret to riding a bike is being calm. Very, very calm. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Flew off. Sorry, I did not see that. See, that's not, I can't see humps because it's the same color as the road. Now that is not on me. That is the road's fault. Whoever built the road. Whoa, uncle. See? My brake is shaking little bit. Why is that happening? Suddenly they'll put brakes. Hope this is the right way. Okay guys, this highway. So there is red, but there is no place. So I still can't lane change, okay. I'm really scared because I'm not fucking. Switched off my indicator, don't worry guys. Even if I'm we'll let the slender guy go front. Okay, I guess. Oh, the slender uncle is really fast. Or I just don't know how to ride on main roads. So there is a lot of gap in me talking because between I'm looking at the mirror, I'm analyzing, you know that reel where like bikers' eyes go everywhere and that. Oh, GT. It's a very beautiful bike. I don't know if that's a GT or Interceptor, but yeah, beautiful bike. We are cruising, guys, because we got to like make content, right? You know why it's trying to race with me, I think. This maps is taking me to the most traffic route. I don't know why it's doing like that. Usually traffic is because of one person who's parked his car at the side of a very small road. Usually maps fucks with me, takes me to the wrong location. Suddenly people will stop me. Oh, uncle, where he's coming? Oh, I should have gone this left. Fuck my life. 1 second. Oh, we're on the center of the road. Shit. Sorry. Because of that auto uncle only. Extremely sorry. In traffic, it's a little bit annoying to ride with bike, okay. Or like I have not learned it. It's like the circles is so fast. If I do little also it'll go front. So I have to really like keep switching gears. Or, I mean I don't know the best way to do it yet. But I will learn. Thou girl will learn. You can turn back nicely. They turn back and go front. Who has given them license? ಇವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ. Oh yes yes. Guys, the fourth guy, that is fifth guy, no helmet, nothing, coming the wrong way. Until now we have not seen a single woman but we have not seen a woman violating also. Maps, is this the right direction? Are you going the opposite direction? One day I accidentally took a flyover and like I went outside Bangalore. Maps, please tell me. I will just check again, guys. It's an issue with maps. If once I see the way, it's full peace. I can like, imagine it in my head. Now I'm just... Oh, we are still far, lol. I thought we almost reached. Okay, I have to go straight, 600 meter right, or fair we will reach. 8 more minutes. Okay, 8 more minutes to this vlog, guys. Don't worry, after that, you know, fuck, went in neutral. Oh fuck, went to third gear also accidentally. See, that is my fuck up, I totally agree. You never panic on the bike, guys. Oh, it will go off to third gear. It could have switched off, almost. Okay, Aji, we will let you go. Meters, I should turn right. Sorry, I am quiet, guys. This is the right I'm supposed to take. Oh fuck. Stupid maps. This the fucking right or the next right? The accidents happen because of Google Maps. That's a new perspective. Okay, that is that right. I have to go front and take a right, which is technically straight. So this is the right I missed. Okay, let's hope there is a right in the front. Wow. Where's the right, maps? Okay, I think it's this one. I think yes. Okay. Who makes these humps? Why are they so high? If you make like a non-high hump also, people will still stop. Why do you have to damage their engines also? I should turn right, no? Maps, please. Okay. This forgets to tell only. It's the worst assistant. Oh guys, I'm very scared on slope. Okay, because like if I stopped on the smooth. Oh, that's it. Crazy. Someone asked me to rev. Sorry guys, someone just asked me to rev and then I got really excited. Yeah, should not get excited. Fuck. Now I don't know where I'm supposed to go only. Oh shit. Shoot ya insan. Did you see? That's fifth man. In the last second, who they'll put? They will decide, oh, we want to park here. How? So annoying. Motor vlogging is tough. Totally tough. I don't know how y'all are doing this. Oh, so the BMW, I don't know what, guys. I'm not a car girl. I may very much BMW uncle, please move. Please. I'm a very bike person. Not like I know all the bikes, but yeah. The non-ending journey. Yes. Go to the side where you can't go in. Where is the indicator, uncle? Where the fuck is the indicator? Oh yes, please come. Oh my god. Please come. Shoot, fucker. Crazy. Seventh guy. You see how he just came? I don't know. Oh my god. Okay, fine. This auntie is fucking up. But like she's going to the side. So it's fine. I don't know. It's so tiring to ride the bike in such an environment. It gives me so much stress. Every time it happens, like my heart, like heartbeat goes high, my head starts hurting. Very annoying, guys. Unnecessary pressure, no. Okay. I was really tired. I was behind an uncle for a very long time. So I tried. Oh, I have reached my location. We are going to play basketball. Oh, I'm just parked here. Because down is a slope again and I'm really scared. Park at slopes. That's it. Thank you for listening.